Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2023 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front wheel drive, tires, front all season, LED headlights, tires, rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.